Hello and welcome back. You're here with me, Fola. Without further ado, let's get into the business team. All right, Igor, over to you.
Thanks, Fola, and hello, everyone. For this month, as always, I've been working on these monthly thumbnails, and we also released the testnet alpha release roadmap on the website, but also updating those as the milestones are being finished. And apart from that, now will be able to see that roadmap into the homepage. If you scroll down, you have also an image of the roadmap, but even further down, you will be able to see the milestones that are being finished, like the month that it was being finished, and also what's in progress and what's left to be out there. We also been working on some of the performance issues of the both websites. We upgraded some of the protections on both websites, deleted a lot of the garbage files and plugins we don't really use anymore, and also making sure that all the updates and plugins and themes and all these things that we do every single week are up to date to make sure that the websites are working well. There was an update on our CoinMarketCap profile. We added the team members, we added the academic advisors. Now you can see that the profile score is slightly higher because as we were adding these information, we will start adding even more later down the line. And also we added the milestones of the Town at Testnet Alpha release. So if you look at the chart for like a year from now, you will be able to see every date where the milestone was being done. I've also done some research on the social media presence. We're using different platforms. I got a list of the people we will be in touch with just to see how much they can help us and also explore some of the options of how to showcase our projects to the public. I've been also working with these visuals on X. Every day we're releasing an image that's really around the topic about trust. You may already seen some of these images, and we are going to proceed working on these in the future as well. Last but not least, Townnet merge. So basically, I have been working on the preparing the assets for printing in CMYK, especially the Townnet logo and Agoras logo. Both parts are now finished. We have created the designs, and they are currently in process, yet to be printed, yet to be showed to you, to the community. And pretty much that's it for this month from me. Thank you.
All right, fantastic, Igor. Thank you so much. Over to you, Kilian.
Thanks, Fola, and hi, everybody. So yes, I've been this month scouting Reddit for marketeers who can help distribute our project across crypto communities, and I've reached out to a few promising leads to gauge interest. Also, I've been looking into some of the marketing agencies we've had on our list, doing initial outreach and getting a feel for how they operate, especially important now given the recent shifts in the blockchain landscape. I've also been in touch with CoinMarketCap, and as a result, they've added now the boost button to our page. Feel free to take a look at that. And I've also added chart annotations to highlight meaningful events related to the project. I've also been handling payments to some of the key opinion leaders we've engaged. And all in all, I was away for 2 weeks on honeymoon this month, so it's been a lighter stretch, but I've kept things moving and I'm back at it now. So thank you so much and talk soon. Bye-bye.
All right, fantastic, Kilian. Thank you very much. And yeah, from my side, I've been involved in what Kilian and Igor have been up to. We've also been working on the hiring of a new team member for the development team. So we've been working with our talent acquisition manager, who isn't on this call, but does work with us internally. So we've been figuring out what we need for the Tau language development, making sure that testnet comes as quick as possible. Testnet alpha comes as quick as possible, and subsequently testnet. So we want to make sure that that happens very, very fast. So that's a very big hire for us to expand the team. So on top of that, we've been working alongside Kilian, Igor, and Jamie on the marketing strategy. So we've been really filling out our strategy. Right now, we are in a current theme of trust, as you guys can see on our socials when you see this. But the theme is really diving into how you can trust Townet compared to other systems and why other systems aren't as trustworthy. So there's a lot we can talk about. There's a lot we can talk about there. On top of that, we've been also looking into the advertising side of things, what and how we can advertise. There was a question in our Q&A about what we can do when Telnet is out and available. So we won't be able to advertise in the US just yet, but we can do marketing and advertising focused outside the US for now. And that's a lot. There's a lot we can do there. So we're figuring out which platforms are most useful for us. That's obviously going to be Twitter and Reddit, but how we can really utilize that to get our message across. So we're going to be doing some updates to our website, some advertising tests, and we'll get a lot of data from that as well to be able to use at funnels into our marketing strategy. Yeah, that about wraps it up for us for the month. We will see you on our socials as always. That is on Twitter, Tau_net. On Reddit, that's Taunet Agrs. And on Telegram, you're already there anyway, likely, but it's Taunet.